Are you looking for an inverter generator that runs on both gasoline and liquefied gas and can meet all your needs? Hello, let me present the KS6000 IHSCO inverter generator from the German brand Könner Söhnen that is successfully distributed in over 20 European countries and tested by demanding European consumers. The KS6000 IHSCO is a high-quality, reliable and powerful dual-fuel inverter generator featuring an electric start based on a powerful KNS engine. With the starting power of 5,500 watts and a running power of 5,000 watts, this generator offers several advantages, making it an ideal solution for backup power for your home, household appliances, the power tools, and various devices, including sensitive electronics. It operates on both gasoline and liquefied gas, propane, which can save up to 50% of fuel consumption thanks to the economic operating mode. With a noise level as low as 64 decibels, the KS6000 IHSCO is equipped with an electric start, a multifunctional LED display, a CO sensor, and a powerful outlets. This generator is user-friendly and will be an excellent assistant at home, work, or leisure activities. The KS6000 IHSCO belongs to the special series of inverter generators ranging from 8,800 to 5,500 watts. Könner Söhnen equipment is produced under the control of German engineers and passed testing in Germany. It holds all the necessary quality certificates, both European and American. Now, let's discuss a model in more detail. The integrated advanced electronic unit with microprocessor control ensures stable sinusoidal output voltage of 120 volts at a 60 Hz. The voltage is ideal for a reliable working process of modern sensitive technology. The KS6000 IHSCO generator runs on both gasoline and liquefied gas, propane. It comes with a hose and a reducer, and all you need to do is to connect the generator to your gas cylinder. This generator has the branded KNS engine designed by the German engineers specifically for Könner Söhnen. The main advantages of the KNS engine are high efficiency, long-term stable working process, and enhanced durability. The generator's high-quality alternator with 100% copper winding can withstand maximum loads without any damage. The 3-in-1 multifunctional engine switch enables the generator start easily and conveniently, combining functions of the fuel valve, air choke, and electric engine start. The KS6000 IHSCO generator is equipped with all the necessary protective functions, including a CO sensor monitoring carbon monoxide levels. Moreover, the generator panel includes multifunctional LED display, which indicates voltage frequency and working hours, reset button for system control reset and power supply restoration, a powerful 30 amp socket and two 20 amp sockets, USB Type-A and USB Type-C Quick Charge 3.0, a standard car 12-volt socket, a charging port for the internal battery. Eco mode can save up to 50%, extend the engine's service life, and enable the generator to work quieter. Additionally, the generator is very portable and weighs only 86.9 pounds, which is excellent for this level of power. It is equipped with a transportation kit, including 2 wheels and a handle. This is a high-quality and extremely convenient generator. Its reliability has already been appreciated by many European consumers. The Könner Söhnen KS6000 IHSCO generator is equipped with a hose with a reducer, a spark plug wrench, a screwdriver, and a fill-in funnel. The quality and reliability of our technology is acknowledged by international experts and prestigious awards. Choose the KS6000 IHSCO generator from the Könner Söhnen brand. The German quality traditions are affordable for everyone.